Alright, so you're welcome to my next class. So in this class, I'm going to show you how to create form for a landing page. Alright, so this is our landing page we designed already. So how do you create form for your landing page? So this is how you create form for your landing page. So like I said, we didn't leave here. We didn't leave our dashboard. So always leave the dashboard, and also maybe your cPanel, your Namecheap account in different tabs, so in case you want to go back there. So you remember that we installed a plugin called Ninja Forms. So these are Ninja Forms. So place your mouse on Ninja Forms, place your mouse on Add New, right click on Add New, open the link in New tab. So go back like this. Just say yes, I agree. Yes, I agree. So we are creating a blank form. We are creating a blank form. So we are creating a blank form. So you click on blank form. After clicking on blank form, so this is how you create a blank form. So there are different feeds you can use. But the four feeds we are using is we are collecting their names, we are collecting their address, we are collecting their alternative phone number, their phone numbers, or we are collecting their phone number, their address, landmark, and quantity of the products, their email address too. Alright, so the first thing is I think the first thing is single checkbox. It's not box. First thing is first name. So click, so this is it. By right hand side, click on first name, click hold and drag and put it here. Do you see that now? Click hold and drag. So the next thing we are collecting is phone number. Click hold and drag. Click hold and drag inside. Listen. The next thing we are collecting is the address. Click hold and drag. You see that now? Click hold and drag. So the next thing we are collecting is the email address. So don't go outside this box. So there you see. Click hold and drag. Email address. So the next thing we are collecting is what? Is alright, so is what are we collecting again? Details we need to collect. Alright, so before I get to know that, so all you need to do is you need to edit this. Click on the first box, which is the name. So required it. So there will be an asterisk. See the red asterisk. So it means important. That means they can't submit until they fill this. The phone number to require it. The address to require it. The email address to require it. So your first name. So all you need to do is just change it to your full name. Change it to full name. Change it to full name. Change it to full name. Come on. Change it to full name. You understand? So change it to full name. So phone number. Alright, so the description. Now the description you can put under the phone number. You can just put maybe kindly drop your accessible number. You understand? So if we look at it now, it's going to show under the phone. So kindly drop your accessible number. Do you understand? Alright, so what's the next thing we need to? So the next thing we are going to put is a quantity. So we need to go back to the field. need to go back to the field. So click on done. So we need to say add new field. So add here now new field, which is quantity. You can just say single line test. Single line test. Scroll down, click on it, change it, so quantity. So require it to. So under the address, so we need to add a description. Kindly drop your accessible address and landmark Can I drop your accessible address and landmark? Can you drop your accessible address, comma, state, or as I said, can you drop your accessible address and landmark? So we need to add an a link for address. I don't know, maybe this is not too much, so just need to, so click on done, click on this plus sign, so under the address, so click on single line test, so under the address, so change this to state, state/LGA. So click on done. So you require it, click on done. So please, I hope there's not any confusion here. So click on, so to edit, click on it like this. That is to edit, so you see that. So the moment you are done, click on done. And if you want to add another checkbox, another feed, just click on this plus sign to add another feed. That's what I'm saying. So click on done. After clicking on done, click on email actions. Click on email actions. So after clicking on email actions, so admin email. Click on admin email. After clicking on the email, so they're going to ask you that where do you want to be receiving your order, which email do you want to use to be receiving your order. And something. So you can use any of the email, maybe your Gmail. You can use your Gmail, or maybe you want to use your professional email. And I'll say admin@epitomstore.com. So it says subject. Just leave the subject as Ninja Forms, or maybe just product forms. You can just change it to product form. Change it to product form. Alright, so the moment you are done, click on done. Alright, so record submission, yes. On this record submission, so click on advanced display settings. So they're asking you for the form title. So what is your form title? Just said so they're asking for the name of the form. You can name it, maybe just give it that name too. If you want to use for, you created a form that, okay, you can use for any product, but you can just put maybe product form, so that you can use it for products. You can always use this for anything you want to use it for. You understand what I'm saying? So click on done. After clicking on done, so you can just say preview if you want to view it. You can preview it. Okay, so let's just move on. No, so it has displayed because of our network. So click on publish. I click on, so this is a form title. See, it's add the submit button. Let's add the submit button. Click on publish. So I think I need to use an accessible email so that you can able to know it's working. Let me put an accessible email. So let me use support. Let me use support at so done. Publish, click on publish. So you see, click on this plus sign. Click on this plus sign. Now clicking on this plus sign, so this is what you need. This short code, this is the short code you need. Just copy the short code. Copy it. After copying it, so go back to your landing page. Landing page you are designing. Go to your landing page you are designing. So there are two ways you can add this form. So let's go back to there are two ways you can add this form. Either you create a different page for it, or you add it to your landing page. So I think I prefer adding it to my landing page here. So let me choose an heading for it. So I add a section heading. Kindly feel incoming. Alright, so kindly feel I'm looking for a English to use. Is it kindly feel incoming? Kindly fill this form to place your order now. Kindly fill this form to place your order. Alright, so alignment is going to be center. So you can change the color if you want to. You can change the color. To place your order. So I'm going to add more space. So I'm going to use spacer. You can use spacer, you can use margin. Spacer at the top. So you can also increase the space more if you want to. So kindly fill this form to place your order now. So next thing we're going to add is you can just look for a Ninja form widget. Ninja. So this is a Ninja form widget. So click code and drag it inside this box. So it's going to ask you to select forms. Where is our form? Our form has not appeared because our form is supposed to see our form. Our form is supposed to be seeing our form. Can I feel? Let me see. So for you to preview what you are doing, so you can just click on this preview changes. Click on preview changes. And you click on preview changes. So you're going to see what you design. So let me just go back. So it's supposed to be seeing our form. We are seeing our form. So I think I have to update. I have to refresh this so that we can be able to see our form. So before you refresh, so remember to update, please. Remember to update. Alright, so so waiting for that. Okay, so after updating, we are able to after refresh, so I'm able to see our product form. So when you're using Ninja form, it's not going to appear like this. You understand? It's not going to appear. So update. So click on it. So we need to change the the background color. Change the background color to yellow. Change it to yellow. So don't need it to be too much bright, so just yellow. Show the border radius. I think the border radius is here already. So you need to change the border radius. You can just put 40. 40, update. Update, so the moment you update, so you just can preview changes. So you scroll down. You scroll down. So do you see now? Listen now, so we can remove this. So how do you remove it? So go back, click on your form. Click on your form. So click on content. So you can just say remove titles and placeholders. So update. So preview changes. So preview changes to see. Okay, so our product form. So this is our product form. It's able to custom. Alright, so that is how you had a product form. So alright, so before we round up, so you need to, if you look at the under the product form, the link on our button, click on the button. Inside where they wrote the link, put hashtag. Where is hashtag? My hashtag. So we're going to add an hashtag. So I'm looking for my hashtag. Alright, so I've seen my hashtag. Come on. Alright, so hashtag order. So put it in the same so no, I think there's something I want. So hashtag order, tag putting hashtag order. So just right click on, so that I will not be copying and pasting. So all you need to do is just copy and go to the form like this, right click on it and say paste style. It's not working. So I just copy it. Copy it, click inside and paste. The same time with this one, copy, click inside and paste. So after we are done, one of the things we are going to use is you can also use something like this. You can just put it here too and paste it. So click on update. Not clicking on update, so let's check preview changes and clicking on preview changes. So click on order, so it's not taking us to where we are looking for. So if it's not taking us there, all you need to do, just go to your menu. I don't want this video to take long, so go to your menu, a widget menu, look for anchor. It's called anchor. If you can't find it, just type it, search it here, search for anchor. So this is your anchor. Click hold and drag it here down at the down of it like this and paste the link here. Paste the link here. So we need to remove the link of this one. Let's remove the link of this one. So update it, preview changes, so click on the order now button, Valua, you see. So the moment you click on it like this, you take them direct, it's going to take it directly down. So there's another ways also you can do that. So in the next class I'm going to show you another way you can create without not put it on your landing page like this. You understand what I'm saying? Alright, so if you have any questions, so let me know. See you in next class.